Hello guys, some of you asked me to do a video on best used motorcycle for beginners in Canada. So here it is. When it comes to choosing a used motorcycle for beginners in Canada, several factors should be considered, such as affordability, reliability, ease of handling, and availability of parts and service. Here are some popular options that are often recommended for beginner riders. Number 1, Honda CBR 500R. This sporty motorcycle offers a balanced combination of power and maneuverability, making it suitable for beginners. It has a manageable engine size and comfortable riding position. Second, Yamaha YZF R3. Known for its sleek design and agile handling, the YZF R3 is another popular choice for beginners. It features a lightweight chassis and a responsive engine, making it easy to handle. Third one is Kawasaki Ninja 300. This motorcycle have been a favorite among beginner riders. For its user-friendly nature, it offers a smooth power delivery, comfortable ergonomics, and a well-balanced chassis. Number 4, Suzuki SV650. Although slightly more powerful than the previous options, the SV650 is still a great choice for beginners who desire a bit more performance. It has a versatile engine, forgiving handling, and comfortable riding positions. And the next one is the fifth one on the line, Honda CB300R. With its naked bike styling, the CB300R offers a modern and approachable design. It has a lightweight frame, a manageable engine, and user-friendly controls, making it suitable for new riders. Number 6, and the last one on the list, Yamaha MT07. This motorcycle combines a torquey twin-cylinder engine with an upright riding position, resulting in an enjoyable and forgiving riding experience. It offers a good balance between power and maneuverability. And all of these listed motorcycles are pretty reliable too. But remember, it's important to choose a motorcycle that suits your individual preferences and riding style. Additionally, make sure to budget for safety gear, including a helmet, gloves, jackets, and boots. And always prioritize proper training and licensing before hitting the road. Hope this video helps. Enjoy your riding season. Take care.